Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX Avalanche. I've taken my first profits actually just now. I let the guys in the Telegram and Discord groups know first. But yeah, we are going down a little bit at the moment. And for me, I just made the decision, I want to take some profits because I bought, if you might remember it or you might not, I bought back here, told you so, this pullback to the trend line. I think this was also pretty much when I started to cover Avalanche somewhere in this range, and I bought back then, and yeah, I basically did a nice 2.5x since when I bought. I'm pleased with that, and so I took some profits. I took 50% of my AVAX profits now, reshuffled them into Phantom, because Phantom isn't doing that well at the moment. I think there will be another upside, whereas AVAX has done really well in the last few weeks. Hit all my price targets. There's one more outstanding basic, well, in terms of price target, I mean, there's one more fib level to reach. If it will reach that, well, I'm pretty certain it will, but will it do so very soon? I'm not so sure. Basically because it has done so much of a run. I think, we are still above this trend line. We are still in an uptrend. It's just a personal decision that I said, look, I think it will go up potentially more, but I'm just pleased with the profits. And looking at the market cap, Avalanche is now on the rank 11 of all cryptos by market cap. And then you need to ask yourself, how much is really achievable anymore? From now on, it's now $125. And I think, is there really much potential that AVAX can still outperform other cryptos? I mean, there is possibly, I think it has potential to further outperform Solana, for example. But then that's why I have taken some profits, because, it has now 27 billion market cap. If it had a 2x from now, it would get somewhere in the XRP and Cardano range, and maybe you can expect a 3x, but at some point then I think, that's it. It can possibly outperform other cryptos going forward. And as the more the general market cap in the crypto market is going up, of course Avalanche will profit as well. But what I just tried to communicate, it's now nearly in the top 10, and from a top 10 crypto you just can't expect an easy 5x anymore or so. So that's why I try to reshuffle it in cryptos that have a lot of potential but have a slightly lower market cap or a low market cap. Like, for example, Phantom, which hasn't gone up that much in November, whereas AVAX did. So yeah, I just reshuffle it a little bit, taken some profits. Just wanted to let you know. I think it continues to have upside potential. This project will grow, and it's certainly, in my view, it wouldn't be a bad decision to leave it in there, the money. But I'm happy with the quick profits that Avalanche has made, and I just want to reshuffle it. And I think other cryptos will now start to outperform potentially Avalanche in the next few weeks. Again, of course, everybody needs to come to their own decisions and conclusions. I've only taken 50% out anyway, so 50% remain in Avalanche, possibly for the long term. And one reason for that, why I've taken some profits, is also that on the daily we are now in the overbought range quite clearly now at the 76 level. On the daily, I mean, the MACD is continuing to go up, but I just thought, other cryptos have hit a low and are starting to recover now. So that was a good decision, I think, because while Bitcoin was dipping, obviously in the last few days, AVAX was just going to the moon, and this might now turn around a little bit. I've got the feeling. So overall, a little bit overbought now on the daily, on the 4 hour as well. We're just retracing a little bit. And here on the 1 hour, you can see as well, we've just came back below the overbought range. Still looking like a normal bullish retracement at the moment, possible another bull flag. And that next move could potentially take us to that next fib level, to that 2.618 fib level at $137, as I showed you in the last video as well. And so far as you can see it, how nicely all the target levels were hit, and how nicely all the fib levels were just broken, and the next level I think to reach is the 137. That is the 2.618. That is really, really a strong move from down here. And I'm really pleased with the AVAX performance. As I said, It's a really good project. I think it will continue to grow. If people ask themselves now, is it too late to get into AVAX? Well, personally, I would wait for a retracement. It's now nearly a top 10 crypto, but that's only my view. And there are certainly other projects that are now sort of undervalued, whereas AVAX has already, in just a few weeks now, or actually just in just a couple of weeks, really, done a nice 2x or so, So just really want to emphasize that message. Very good crypto, very good project, still bullish, but I think other cryptos that are now undervalued deserve that money now and can grow faster potentially, because the lower the market cap, the more potential there can be if the project is very promising as well. All right, so that's just on Avalanche. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.